In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to avoid plagiarism. So to get this helping video started, I will need to choose a topic. So for the sake of this video, I have used a play that I know of called Inspector Calls. Inspector Calls, okay? So this will be the play we'll be using to help avoid plagiarism as an example today. So let's say you were asked to create an essay on this play, and I don't know the topic. Let's say the topic is something, but I'm not sure. I can't really begin to remember anything about this play, but I do know I've read it before. But anyways, let's say you were asked to create an essay on this play, and the topic was something. So obviously you will start first of all researching, right? You'll start researching for information. Now, what you can do is, I hope you first of all, even though plagiarism, even though copying text is common, I hope you've at least read the thing you're trying to research before, so you have some idea. Now, what you can do is you can obviously, uh, for writing essays mainly, you would need to get points related to the topic you're writing on. So let's say this paragraph right here. This paragraph right here was somehow related to the topic I was doing. What you can do is you can copy this paragraph right here, and you can go back to ChatGPT and paste it. And after this, you need to give ChatGPT some context. Okay, say ChatGPT that this this just name your topic that my mm, my topic for the play Inspector Calls is something. Topic, let's say like that, where you put it at there, right? And then you say that, and I am currently writing an essay on this. So could you please summarize the paragraph above and give me some important points that would be nice to include in my essay? Right, you can go ahead and enter that, and it will easily summarize all of these points for you point by point. And then depending on your own knowledge, because obviously you can't get ChatGPT to do everything for you, right? You will need to put in some effort yourself as well. Then when the ChatGPT has summarized the points for you, you can take the important points and put them on your essay, right? Well, this is more of a summarization, so let's get to the main point. How would you avoid plagiarism as it is? So the most common thing that will come to your mind would be paraphrasing text, right? Paraphrasing text. If you have a piece of text that you want to rewrite in your own words, you can ask ChatGPT to help you paraphrase it while keeping the original meaning. Something like, let's give an example. So, like, perhaps you had an original text that said, climate change is causing extreme weather events leading to disasters worldwide. Now, the paraphrased word or the paraphrased sentence would be, the rise in global temperature is contributing to severe weather conditions, resulting in natural disasters across the globe. Now, both these sentences convey the same meaning but have different meanings, but have different wordings overall, right? That's what paraphrase is. So what I can do is, well, this is the original play, so there's not much use getting text from here. But what I can do is, I can say Inspector called essays, or obviously you can specify the topic you're doing, but I don't have a topic, specific topic in mind. So let me go here and just get a topic. Let's say, how does Priestley explore responsibility in Inspector calls, right? So let's say a particular paragraph or a particular set of points here got your eyes, and you really, really wanted to include them in your essay, but you really can't because then you'll be plagiarizing, right? What you can do is you can copy that part. Uh, let's say it was still here. This is the part that really caught your eye, and you want to include this into your essay, but it will be just plagiarizing. So what you can do is you can copy this and ask ChatGPT to reword it, but conveying the same meaning. Can you please paraphrase this, but make sure to keep the original meaning, right? Now, sometimes ChatGPT doesn't really get what you're saying, so make sure you read the previous paragraph and the paragraph that ChatGPT has paraphrased, right? So you can make sure ChatGPT has not made any mistakes, because ChatGPT will not take responsibility for things such as paraphrasing, right? So you need to make sure yourself that what ChatGPT doing is right, okay? You can't leave all of it to ChatGPT itself. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and enter that, and let's have it rephrase. And let's just see these some starting words. So it starts with in spite of their strong difference in beliefs, despite their stark difference in beliefs. You can see that it's quite different. But what we can notice here is that sometimes what all that ChatGPT is doing is changing the words, okay? And so by doing this, you're avoiding plagiarism because the words don't match, and sometimes it replaces sentences to different places like that, differentiating the wordings in such a way that it's the whole paragraph is not plagiarized when you keep it inside your essay. Okay, so what we have covered right now is that ChatGPT can help you summarize information, paraphrase texts. Now, this is something common, but to anyhow avoid plagiarism from official resources, you always need to cite your sources or where you got the information from. Well, that's a common thing. And what you can do in this case for ChatGPT is you can ask ChatGPT to cite for you. What you can do is give the links to ChatGPT from where you got your information from, and it will help you cite the information. And lastly, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate some unique content. So what you can do is, can you generate some, because obviously ChatGPT can probably has because ChatGPT probably already knows the play overall, since it is a chatbot after all. It knows what the play is and all the story about it. You can ask ChatGPT to generate some unique content on the topic you're doing. So can you generate some unique content on for my essay on the topic, whatever the topic was, oops, right? Um, which things something really unique that I can include in my essay. Right, that's how you would do. Well, obviously, it can't do anything because I haven't given the topic to it yet. But anyways, right, that's how it would work. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Now I hope that you understand that how you can use ChatGPT to avoid plagiarism and all that kind of stuff. So I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.